What is up, guys? So that's going to be Billionaire's trading season day 7, and I'm gonna be talking about the index of Japan, right? It's a very, very beautiful pair. I think it's a pair that is very bullish, it's very straightforward, and I'm gonna be talking a little bit about it because it is one of my pairs. I am currently trading UK 100, AUG JPY, and JPEN 225. I took some trades today on AUD JPY, some buys right here, some buys right here, and then another buys right here, I think. So very clean, two clean trades, very straightforward, very obvious, very simple ideas, and that's my main thing. I always want to get the easiest money in those markets. I always want to get the most obvious money. I don't wanna try to find something. Trying to understand what something is trying to do. Like, I'm not here to burn my brain. I'm here to just see what the market's doing, see if he's like trading higher or trading lower, and I'm just gonna do some technical analysis to know if it is a good idea to buy right here or to buy right here, and that's basically it. I just go with those markets, right? So I'm gonna be talking mainly about JPEN right now. On the 12-month time frame, we got this huge movement up, right? It's a very bullish trend. Of course, we just have like data from 2015, but it is a very bullish pair. If I'm not mistaken, we got some type of uh, support or resistance around this area right here. As you can see, because of this wick right here, we got something right here, because on the F at CAM we can see. With this broker right here, you cannot see it. But I just utilizing this broker right here because you can see the gaps, right? And I think gaps is information, and you wanna know what when you are gapping down or not, or gapping up. You know what I mean? On the 3 months time frame, you got this huge wick right here. We got this huge wick right here, and you know this was because of the war, right? And now price is pushing up again, right? Now price is pushing up again, and it is almost at this week right here, this top right here of 60,000. And one main thing that I want to talk about is that the 3 months time frame is very like uh, I forgot the word, but it's like very extended, right? And we have to ask ourselves, like, what is the odds of this doing a retraction right now? And because it is a valid question, but you have to look at the past and answer your own questions with the data that the market tells you, right? So what ask yourself, guys, what is this right here? What is this? This is a candle that that like he let me get the brush. Where's the fucking brush? Right here. He opened right here. He opened. He made a higher low. This little wick right here, and then he start to trade higher, right? And he's very fucking bullish. This is a big candle. So for price to do a higher low right here, he needs to, you know, come back all the way down and close like right here, you know, to start the higher low. And if you look at the past, like in since 2015, when did the price did a move like that, where he exploded with a movement up, Then he comes all the way down, and he closes with a bearish candle. You guys can see this? You guys can see this? This was not, because this was just a little candle, was not that big, right? With that type of wick right here. So exactly, like, we cannot see it. So this market over here does not present this type of situation for us. It can present, like, but he is not used to, right? So the likelihood to price to, just come all the way down and close bearish is very, very fucking weak. That's very weak probability. So if the price is not going to close bearish over here, or is not going to do a higher low, what do we got over here? We got a price just pushing, push right here, push right here. We got war, but what do we expect right here? For price to push it, keep pushing higher. You know what I mean? Keep pushing, 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 pushing. And right here on the monthly time frame, we got another situation that is very, like, interesting. Let me drink some water because I'm talking too much. Right here, price is about to break this high right here, right? This is the situation that where we are in. Price is about to break this high right here, and you have to ask yourself, all right, on the last moments that price break a high on the monthly time frame, how did it react from this level? How price was working? What was happening? How did he made the move? What happened before he break it? What happened after he break it? So it is just a matter of, like, it is, guys, it is really simple. It is really, like, just a matter of searching for the right questions right here, and getting the answers from here and here and here, and from the past in general, right? And as you guys can see, on this time, he came to break it, and he did he did 2 weeks of retraction. Right here, it came to break, and he just pushed up. Right here, it came to break, but he did a little bit of retraction, right? So now the question that I have in my mind is, we are in this situation right here. This is exactly the situation that we were, like, right here and right here and right here. Now, what I want to ask myself is, all right, so price now is going to keep pushing and break it, or is he gonna do a retraction of 2 weeks or 3 weeks, like in those ones right here? So that's what I have to understand, and I'm gonna search for answers in the fucking market, right? Right here, as you guys can see, price approached my level, gave me a bearish candle, right? He gave me a bearish candle. After he gave me a bearish candle, he pushed it up. You see? Right here, price approached my level, gave me a bearish candle, started to, consolidate for some days, and then push it up, right? Right here, price came, give me a black candle, bearish candle, push up again, and then gave me a huge retraction. And just after weeks and weeks, prices start to really, like, push higher. You know what I mean? But that's like, there's a catch right here. You guys can see that on this here, he came to the level, he started to move lower, then, like, he gave us this big engulfing, right? So why would you not, like, buy right here? And if you would buy right here, you would get stopped out, right? But that's the main thing, that you have to be always, like, paying attention to details, you know. Like once price came to right here, he did not broke this week right here. Look at this week right here. You know what I mean? So right here we got the same thing. Like price came lower, came lower. He gave us engulfing. Why would you not buy right here? Very simple, because price did not broke this uh this week right here. Once price broke this week right here, then we can expect a movement right higher from this pair right here. You know what I mean? So right here was the same thing. Price came, gave us the three pattern, the three bearish candles, and once he start like pushing higher, just he just started like to push higher, really like just after this week right here. You know what I mean? So what I'm gonna expect right here is very fucking simple. It's very simple, guys. That's you don't need to fucking complicate this shit. You don't need to fucking complicate this shit. You have to understand that the market is an entity. The market is a whole entity. Is a fucking powerful force of the nature. You're just a guy surfing it. You're just a guy, you know, taking your trade and going with the markets. You have to imagine that the market is a sea, right? And you are a surfer. Even though you are the best surfer in the world, you cannot surf in a sea that there is no waves. You know, you cannot do it. If the sea is not good for surfing, even though you are a good surfer, you're not gonna be able to surf well. So right here, what am I gonna expect right here? I'm gonna expect from the same thing. I'm gonna expect candles dropping lower, but as soon as the candle, you know, push higher right here and break those weeks right here, you know what I'm gonna be waiting for? I'm gonna be waiting for some buys. That is simple like that. And you guys also can see that price broke it, you know, price broke it. Then after 1-2 days, he came back. Look at this. Look at this. He came back, right? Right here. Right here. Price broke it. After a few days, he came back. He came back, right? Right here. Right here. This one was the only time that price broke it and just kept going without like coming back again. But based off that, I can I can al- I can already like expect for a price to break it, you know. What the fuck? I can already expect price to break it, right? I can already expect price to break it, and after some days, if I see some type of weakness, I can expect price to come right through this level. And if he come right through this level right here, what I gonna be waiting for? Very fucking simple, guys. I'm gonna be waiting to buy this shit. I'm gonna be waiting to buy this shit. Why? Because he did it like right here. He did it right here. He did it all those times. So why he would not do this right here, bro? Why? You know what I mean? Just at this point, just this time right here, that he just kept going. You know what I mean? He just kept going, and there is nothing I can do about it, right? So, on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame, I still analyze it. I'm still like, seeing what is going on. But you guys can see that, those levels from the 4 hour time frame are never like violated. This one did not violate this one. This one did not violate this one. This one did not violate this one. Uh, so I can, if the price like breaks right here, breaks above, I can put it like I can I can put like my stop loss right here. you would be like a great level of a stop. You would be great, right? Uh, but I also can can understand like how the highs are formed, and as I know that if the price breaks above, I gonna have like a huge momentum candle and a huge like um, bullish candle. I can expect some type of opportunities like right here, maybe a break and retest, and I can take a trade with a little bit of a better risk to reward. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna study it a little bit more. I'm gonna still study it, but yeah, guys, that's it. That's billionaire trading session day 4, day 7 actually, and yeah, very simple, very easy, very calm and cool and collectively. I gonna I'm not gonna put like my profits right. Let me just like show you guys. Let me put this on on Google Drive, and I'm gonna show you guys some profits that I took today with the AD JPY pair. Let me let me get this for you guys to see. So that's right here was today. You can see like right here on the bottom of my screen, for 15th of April. Actually, 10th of April, the 10th. I don't know how to say. It was my birthday. Today I am 22 years old. So yeah, that's a very good, present or gift. So this account, this is basically like 2% of the account. I'm trying to I am gonna reach for risking 5 to 10% of this account, but I am slowly increasing a lot, so I can you know be able to risk a lot without risking a lot. It's all about risk management at the end of the day. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys have a great week. Stay safe, trade well, and make sure to put God or the universe in all of your priorities. Like put God first, put the universe, the energy in first. Don't let this like drain your fucking mental energy. Don't let this be your whole fucking life. Just take it easy. Just take it good. Just take it with a good energy. Don't come right here with pressure to make money, with pressure to make it happen, to pressure with all of those things, because it will just make you fail more. It will just make you it will just like slower your progress, right? Just put God put God first, make the best work that you can do, uh, and that's it, bro. That's it. So bye, guys. uh, Thanks for staying to this part of the video, and stay safe.